Everyone, in this video, I'm going to let you know what are the balance transfer options for Royal Bank credit card. So there are several different options to transfer balance for Royal Bank of credit card. So first of all, you could do it online. So first thing, you could do bank to bank transfer, or you could also do credit card to bank account transfer. So for that case, you just have to make sure that you have an online banking account or that you must have an account. So you could just go ahead and log in into your account by pressing the sign in button. And as you press the sign in button, you could go to the transfer tab, enter the destination or enter the receiver's address, that is your bank account details, all of that, and enter the exact amount and you have transferred it. Then apart from it, you could also use a scanner in order to transfer the funds. So likewise, you could just go ahead and explore it, and that's basically how you can transfer funds between. So these are some of the balance transfer options that is available for bank to bank transfer. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.